Hello, today I will show you how to use Nessus. So what is Nessus? Nessus is a remote security scanning tool which you can scan a computer and create an alert if it is discover any vulnerabilities that malicious hackers should use to gain access to any computer that you have connected to a network. Sorry. Nessus has many features which you can view by click the new scan, and it will display about 10 and above feature that you can use, include the professional features. In this video I want to show you only two feature, which is advanced scan and malware scan. What the advanced scan? You can pick the advanced scan, then you have to fill in the name that is required. For me, I want to use Windows 10. Then you need to enter the IP. For me, I want to use this IP. Then save. Then it will display to the dashboard of this Nessus, where you need to launch. After you launch, this is the complete one that I have scanned. Click them. It will show the scan detail, which is the policy status, which is complete, so I can make a review. Scanner start and end time, that is take about 7 minutes. Then you can see this is the medium severity for 34%, height is 13%, and critical at 2%. Then you can view this IP that I entered just now for Windows 10. You can view the height one or critical one or any of one of them to make any analysis. First of all, I want to choose the height one, which is Apache 2.2.x, which indicate that multiple vulnerabilities in it. According to its banner, the version of the Apache running on the remote host is 2.2x prior to 2.2.33, and authentication bypass vulnerability exists due to third-party modules, and also align the reference flaw exists due to the third-party modules. And also you can view the vulnerabilities through the CVE 2017 with the number specific given. Then I want to go to critical. Press the critical. Then it display about PHP unsupported version detection. This is critical. According to its version, the installation of PHP of the remote host is no longer supported. Lack of support implies that no new security patches for the product will be released by the company. As a result, it is likely to contain security vulnerabilities. If you notice about these vulnerabilities, you should know that the patches will not released by the vendor, so that you have to accept whatever occurrence that happen to you, even attacker used to gain access to your computer. Then I will go to new scan, which is for range scan. Range scan, click the advanced scan. Then you fill in the required field given. Enter the IP range. I use the IP 50 to 130. Then click save. Then we go to the dashboard, which you need to launch. Then after the range scanning complete, this is the result. For the result, you can view that there is medium, which is 27%, and height with 11%, and also 1% of critical. This is the all that IP that I scanned. from 90 to 130. The first that I have analysis just now is for Windows 10. This is for Windows 7, if I'm not mistaken. For the Windows 7, it show only 3 severity, which is medium and high. 2 medium, 1 high. For the medium, SMB signing is not required. Signing is not required on the remote SMB server. An authenticated remote attacker can exploit the product as made in the media attack against the SMB server. So you need to countermeasure this this severity, so that you attackers in the media attack cannot happen to you. Then we go to the height one, which is MS-7-020, which is indicate security update for Microsoft in the SMB server. That is Eternal Blue. The Eternal Blue, it is well known vulnerabilities that exist in Windows 7. So you must to always aware about these vulnerabilities, because it's high and it always happen to other Windows 7. Next, we go to a new scan for a malware scan. For a malware scan, you need to enter the name, which is any name you want to do malware scan, and its IP. Its IP, for me, I'm going to use this for my desktop 130. Then you also need the credential, because you want to access the Windows or the content in your Windows. For me, just enter the password, the correct password, or either one complete. Okay. For the malware scanning, you need to press launch. Then after it's done, you can view this. This is the complete one. For me, for my PC, it show no malware in my PC. This is the IP that I entered just now, 130. So it just show about info about authentication failure, local check not run. It also give an output, the following service error are logged. SMB login with the plugin ID, login name, protocol, and its message. It was not possible to log in to the remote host via SMB. Invalid credentials. It is for Windows 10, Windows Firdaus, then Nessus, then host fully qualified domain name, FUDN resolution. Description: Nessus was able to restore the fully qualified domain in the remote host. This is the name of this Nessus desktop. Also, this is the plugin detail. You can just show the severity, ID, version, type, family, publish, and modify. This is for vulnerability scanning. If the malware is detected, then it should display on this dashboard. And also